In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all orders in WooCommerce. Whether you're cleaning up test data from a staging site or preparing for a fresh start in your online store, this process will help you efficiently remove all orders from your WooCommerce setup. The method we'll cover is simple, straightforward, and convenient, so you can get everything cleared out in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress admin panel. This is the central dashboard where you manage your website, and it's where we'll be completing all the steps for this process. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is your main navigation menu where you'll find all the tools and settings for your site. Next, locate the Plugins option in the sidebar and click on it. Plugins are the add-ons that enhance the functionality of your WordPress site, and for this process, we'll need to install a specific plugin designed for bulk deletions. Once you're in the Plugins section, look for the Add New button in the upper left corner of the screen and click on it. This will take you to the plugin installation interface where we can search for the tool we need. Now, in the search bar at the top right, type in WP Bulk Delete. This is the plugin we'll be using to delete all orders from WooCommerce. It's a reliable and widely used tool for bulk deletions, making tasks like this much more manageable. Once the search results appear, locate the WP Bulk Delete plugin. It should be easy to spot as it's labeled clearly with that name. When you've found it, click the Install Now button next to the plugin. This will begin the installation process, and it should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. Go ahead and click that button. Activating the plugin will enable its features on your site, so we can use it to delete the orders. With the plugin activated, navigate back to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Now you'll see the WP Bulk Delete plugin listed among your installed plugins. Underneath its name, you'll find a link that says Bulk Delete Posts. Click on that link to access the plugin's settings and tools. Once you're in the Bulk Delete Posts section, you'll find a variety of options for deleting content. For our purposes, locate the section titled By Post Category. This is where we'll specify the type of content we want to delete, in this case, WooCommerce orders. First, click on the Post Type drop-down menu and select Product. WooCommerce treats orders as a type of product, so this step tells the plugin that we're focusing on orders. Next, click on the Categories drop-down menu and select all available categories. This ensures that all orders, regardless of their specific category or label, will be included in the deletion process. Before proceeding, take a moment to decide whether you want to move to trash or delete permanently. If you move the orders to the trash, you'll have the option to restore them later on if needed. However, if you choose to delete them permanently, the orders will be completely removed from your site with no option for recovery. Consider your needs carefully and make your selection. Once you've made your choice, scroll to the bottom of the page. There, you'll see a button labeled Bulk Delete. This is the final step. Click on that button, and the plugin will begin removing all orders based on the settings you've selected. Depending on the number of orders you're deleting, this process may take a few moments. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all orders from your WooCommerce store. This method is simple and effective, and it's a great way to keep your store clean and organized. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.